UGWUMBA. Kotara anyị maka ebe anyị nọ kịta.
Ebe anyị nọ kịta bụ Ojadili layout of the net. You can see it as it's clear. Although 215 plus of land. Then we are still trying to add more. Ebe I'm within last year June. I'm within this place. Last year June. From the original owners, Virgin Land. Ojadili layout was conceived to serve as a place in the money it's a stone throw from Oka. From here to Oka is about 16 minutes drive. All around here, the beginning of this very village, UGWUMBA. So, that is where we are today. Now, this is just the first. This is just the very first Ojadili layout. I will take in other towns to serve as a beacon where people will stay and have peace of mind.
Ewuru ndị eregoro, ewuru ndị fọrọ ka onye bịazi ebe a ọ bụrụ na Ọsụọfịa. Anyị na-afụ ihe na-eme gasị n'ụkọtụrụ anyị.
Even another reason nji wee bata into this business bụ ka ndị mmadụ na-anụ nke bụ eziokwu. I say A, it is A. I say no B, it is B. Don't worry anything beyond that or behind that or under that. If you get when they are 100 plus out of the 215 plus, translated anyway, translated 100 plus. So you know, you can see their section. Get with their section. Where bada, where ga mobile like this. So it was young cables in. And when the well now, they are going to build service apartments. Service apartments for people. Cholo is a serene environment where they will be staying. Instead of just in hotels, they will come here and relax and stay. That is what is happening here. You can see that just down there now, the first foundation has been done for the fence. And the people will load the 100 plus, they make their fence and their gates, as you can see. So things are happening here already. Yes, it's conceived as a residential layout. Residential layout. Ojadili layout is 100% residential. Okay. We don't need room for farming. We don't need room for any other thing. All residential layout. Presently, we are selling at 5 million. Presently. So, though we are still trying to acquire more.
Onye ego na-ezu. Onwere ike ịbịa sị ka ya kwunye nke ya ji. Enwere ohere dịka ikwu ohere ka ugbo na agba ma ịtọ.
I will something like that. I'm a elevation we do na Nigeria. So we introduced the concept of part payment. The first payment you have 20% of the total sum. Then when you have like here, yellow is readily convenient. Spread it over a period of 6 months.
Okay.
Ocho you put under 3 months. Ocho you put under 6 months. Ocho you put under 1 day. The person is free. Ocho you put complete is free to pay. At the end of the payment, we with his documents. In fact, you goes whatever the receipt of the next one have irrevocable power of attorney. Then after that, you have his registered survey plan with the Ministry of Lands. Registered survey plan with the Ministry of Lands, Anambra State, so that the person JDR or his survey registered. No story, no alcohol. Then onye chokale I go see a document from the Surveyor General's office concerning this land. Okay. No, very free from government encumbrance acquisition. Very, very free. The first thing we go the truth. Even our rider, Ojadili Homes Limited, nothing but the truth. So, meet when the cause of Govugolana here, meet as it is. As said, no look at the then Nke Igbo bụ na this place anyị nọ kịta they completely free from any encumbrance. Nke ito wee bụrụ the serenity of the environment. Serenity of the environment. Peaceful. Then the topography too. The topography too. And the nearness to the state capital. The nearness to the state capital. So these are the features. And you are not just buying just mere land. There were features they involved. Like I have a central borehole system, so that only when I name where milli from the central borehole. Electrification. I and Nepa Bago, they were here 2 weeks ago. I am where at least 500 kVA transformer here. Okay. And so many other things, my town planning, so many other things. So the person is not simply paying for a mere piece of land. And where other features do attached to the payment.
Tupu ya hapụ wee nwere ụmụ afọ Igbo goro ana 1 million na Lagos, 05 million kpuchie. Anyị afụgo ebe a. Enweghị nke kpuchi dị ebe a. Mana ewere ebe ọ ga-abụ eru ewere ebe asị nke kpuchi nata small.
Nwere completely dry land. You can see it for yourself. Completely dry land.